Good morning, my sweet green babies! Let's grow big and round today!
La la la, looking good. Hey everyone, look at this one.
What in the world was that? I better check it out.
Those aren't yours! Stop it! Well, looks like the farmer's awake.
Too bad for you, monkey. The feast's just begun.
No more! I'll protect this farm run, even if I have to fight a whole army of boars! Step 1. Make the farm boar-proof.
Look everyone, it's finally finished. My melon alarm system.
Let's see those boars try to mess with me now.
Ta-da! They'll never spot the difference.
All right, boys, grab the melons and run.
Yeah!
Run, you melon thieves!
Nobody messes with Farmer Milo.
Clever monkey! Ha!
Let's see how clever you are when I bring my whole herd.
Hey guys, over here. It's almost time for bed.
Whoa, look out! They're here!
Tonight we feast!
Quickly, everyone to the melon patch. Defend the harvest. Move, move, move.
Gotcha, you big bully!
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the farm. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great night. Ha! You better run, Bacon Brains. Look, everyone. The sun is shining. What a perfect day on the farm.
Here you go, little guy. It's super yummy.
together on the farm today, planting vines and singing silly songs.
See, Pip? You don't have to fight to have food. You can grow it, love it, and share it.
I came to apologize.
You're a brave little monkey. The farm is yours. We won't attack again.
Thank you, Brutus. But next time you're hungry, come ask. There's plenty to share.
We did it, Pip! We won the Great Melon Festival!
Thank you, everyone. This farm isn't just mine anymore, it's ours. Because when we work together, even the wildest storms can't break us.
Wow, look at all the stars, Pip. Beautiful.
Pip, do you hear that?
Oink!
It's peace. And it sounds beautiful. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the farm. It's the best day ever.
Oh, what's that, Pip?
Oh, not again!